Hey everyone, welcome back to the Unbox 7. Today I am unboxing something simple but super useful, the Paudin 3-piece kitchen knife set. This one's been getting a lot of attention lately and I wanted to see if it's really worth it or not. Okay, so let's unbox this and stay with me. Okay, so first impression, like packaging. It looks so clean and elegant, not too fancy, but it does feel gift worthy. Inside, we have got 3 knives. Let's have a look one by one, all of 3 knives. But before taking them out, I'm gonna show this the amazing knife range from the Paudin brand. They have made this amazing knives. If you want to have a look, you can go to their website. So I'm gonna take them out one by one, but I'm gonna start from the bigger one. So this is the 8-inch chef knife, probably the one you will use the most. And look at the guys, the elegance and the packaging absolutely on point and it's top notch. I am already in love with these knives. And then we have a 5-inch utility knife which we're gonna use for lots of purposes like fruits, garlic and small stuff like that, and it's also looking amazing. And after that we have this 7 inches Nakiri knife that you can use for lots of stuff. For example, your beef cutting, chicken breast and lots more. So this one is also super amazing. Okay, let's have a closer look now. The blades are made of German high carbon stainless steel and they do feel really sharp right out of the box, no joke. Okay, now let's have a closer look to the handles. The handles are beautiful. This wood-like material is called Paka woods. It's smooth, feels premium, and it actually has a very nice grip, not slippery at all. And same with this one. Material absolutely high quality, finished so nicely, and elegance is upper level. And the last one, the 5 inches utility knife, it's also the same quality, everything same. So let's try cutting a tomato and this will show how sharp it really is. So I'm gonna use this 8 inches chef knife. So let's try cutting the tomato. And okay, let's cut it now. Wow, that's clean, no pressure needed at all. Super smooth and super fast. And you can thinly slice your tomato with this utility knife. I am already very impressed and very happy because I'm gonna use this knife a lot for my daily cooking and prep. Okay, now let's have a closer look while I'm cutting my tomato. So you can see how easy and fast it can cut. No tearing, no longer time, and you can just simply thinly slice your tomatoes or even chop your tomatoes. Okay, now I'm gonna try with the onion. So let's try with the onion. So smooth, guys, so simple and super fast. You can thinly slice your onion in just no time. I am really in love with this one. Okay, now let's try the 7 inches Nakiri knife with the boneless chicken. And yeah, so smooth, no tearing. Even this thing works like pretty sharp and perfect for meat and lots of things. And you can even thinly sliced, and you can also use your beef and sticks, stuff like that. Okay, let's try the apple with utility knife which is 5 inches. So see the magic now. Oh, it's so fast and pretty smooth, guys. I am in love with all of these knives because these gonna make my life so simple and so easy. And if we talk about the balance is nice too, not too heavy in the back or front. I could definitely prep for a while with these without hand fatigue. And those who like dicing, the tips are responsive and you can really control where you are cutting. Overall, I am very impressed for a budget friendly set under 50 bucks, and these looks and feel high end. You are getting the three most used knives in one box. Just remember, they are not dishwasher safe, so hand wash and dry them right away to keep the wood in good shape. So yeah, that's the Paudin 3-piece knife set. Solid quality, very sharp, and definitely stylish for your kitchen. Great as a gift or a personal upgrade. Let me know what you think or what you want me to unbox next. I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.